In this video, let's talk about how to fix code not received SMS. If you're facing this issue, the first thing that you need to do is verify the number that you've typed in. So whether you're typing in or trying to receive the code for any sort of application, make sure you verify your phone number first of all. And secondly, what you'll also need to do is make sure that your phone's cellular signal is working. So try to see if you can receive or send SMSs and try to see if it is working or not. If it is working and if it is just the verification code that you're not receiving, in this situation what you could try out is make sure that you have not turn on the do not disturb mode on your phone. And what you could also try out is try to clear the cache of the message application. So simply tap and hold the message application, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside the settings page, head over to storage and cache, tap on clear storage, and once you complete this step, try to receive the code again. Now it is also important that you avoid the resend loop, which means you need to wait for at least 30 to 60 seconds between the code requests so you do not trigger a temporary carrier lockout. So that's the way on how you could solve it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.